Closer to home, right now a lot of areas are finally drying out after a whole lot of wet weather this afternoon. Heavy rain leaving roads underwater, as you can see right there in northern Palm Beach County, making it a difficult also to get around. Our WPTV's Cameron Eppinger has a look at some of the hardest hit areas.
Thursday afternoon storms brought heavy downpours to northern Palm Beach County. Cell phone video captured crews in waist-deep water here in the village of Tequesta.
It wasn't a hurricane, but it was just crazy.
Several inches of rain dumped in just a few hours left behind flooded streets, multiple road closures, and headaches for drivers.
And I couldn't even get back to my business over there. They told me all the roads were shut down, so I was out just 45 minutes circling around trying to figure out what I was going to do.
Officials in town say high tide was also to blame. One of the hardest hit areas was here along Beach Road and Old Dixie Highway. A similar scene around the corner near Bridge Road, where crews from the county were sent in to help.
It was just raining for a good 2-3 hours straight, nonstop.
At Doondog Restaurant, it was business as usual, despite the nearly 10 inches of standing water in the parking lot. Manager Chris Caraballo bought out the water pump, but was forced to let Mother Nature take its course.
Tried it a couple times, but there was no gas in it, so I went and filled it up with gas. First pull, as I have the gas in it, breaks.
Folks living here in Riverside Oaks also washed out without warning.
I wasn't even wanting to go outside, but when I walked out, I was like, oh my gosh, we have literally a river in our front.
Torrential rains left driveways soaked, creating the perfect recipe for some after-school fun.
Hopefully tomorrow will be less.
Cameron Eppinger, WPTV News Channel 5.